What type of hat is that? I've never seen a hat like that.
Oh, it is called Kalpak. Kalpak.
Kалпак.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
it is our traditional hat, and it's not just a hat. It is more than it is symbol of respect of our ancestors and traditions,
Oh, wow. Okay.
and it represents our culture, history, and identity.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
If you see
Eh,
someone wears a kalpak, and you
mhm.
know that man is Kyrgyz from Kyrgyz culture from Kyrgyz Republic, you know.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah.
And because I'm always I'm often wears a kind of headwear
Mm-hmm.
because I'm losing my hair. It is sometimes
Oh man, nah.
embarrassing.
It is not